Today we are going to discuss the next one. After verb we have fifth one is adverb. In parts of speech, the fifth one is adverb. Good morning students. Welcome back to the class. In parts of speech, in our earlier classes we discussed noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. Today we are going to discuss the next one. After verb we have fifth one is adverb. In parts of speech, the fifth one is adverb, and afterwards we will discuss preposition, conjunction and interjection. Totally 8 parts of speech are there. So now we have the fifth one is adverb. Okay, after noun, pronoun, adjective and verb we have adverb. So this is a little difficult among all the 8 parts of speech. Identifying adverb is a little difficult whenever you are given one sentence. So what is adverb? Adverb. The name itself suggests adding something to the meaning of the verb. Adding something to the meaning of the verb. So how can you define adverb now? An adverb is a word which qualifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So adverb is a word which qualifies, basically it has to qualifies a verb. Basically it must qualify a verb. Next, totally 3 functions are there. The first one is it should qualify a verb. Then sometimes it qualifies one adjective also. Qualifying means adding something to the meaning and describing. Okay, sometimes it describes an adjective also, and sometimes one adverb describes another adverb. So one adverb describes another adverb. So basically 3 functions are there. First one is, the most important thing is, adverb always describes a verb. Not only verb, it describes adjective sometimes, and sometimes it describes adverb also. So examples. Now for the first verb, how it describes a verb? They worked hard. They worked hard. Okay, so first of all, what is worked here? Verb. What is worked here? Verb. How they worked? They worked hard. Okay, they worked hard. So this word hard, it is connected to the verb, to the word worked. It is interlinked. It is interlinked with the verb. This word is interlinked with this verb. So this word describes it, adding something to the meaning of the verb. So for example, he played. How he played? He played nicely. He played well. He played slowly. He played fast. Okay, so in this way, this word is qualifying this verb. That's why this is called adverb. So here it qualifies a verb. It describes a verb. It is adding something to the meaning of a verb. Okay. Second example, how it qualifies an adjective. How it describes an adjective. It is very expensive. Take one example. His car is very expensive. His car is very expensive. His bike is very expensive, very costly. First of all, what is expensive? Expensive. This is adjective, describing a noun. Adjective. So how much expensive it is? Very expensive. So you are intensifying it. You are increasing the degree. So very expensive. Very expensive. So here it is expensive. Without adverb also you can say it is expensive, but you are intensifying it, so it is very expensive. So here this word describes this adjective. That's why it is interlinked with adjective here. That's why this is called adverb. So here it describes one adjective. Here it describes one verb. Here it describes one adjective. Now come to the third one. One adverb describes another adverb. How? He walks quite slowly. He walks very slowly. He speaks quite clearly. He speaks very clearly. She speaks melodiously. She sings melodiously. She sings quite melodiously. She sings very melodiously. Okay, so slowly is adverb. How he walks slowly. So how he walks slowly. So it is describing a verb. That's why it is adverb. But how slowly? Quite slowly, very slowly. Nothing but, quite means nothing but very only. Instead of very, I am using the word. Instead of very, I am using the word quite. Okay. So this one word, this word describes one adverb. So this is also adverb. One adverb describes another adverb. Okay. So slowly is adverb. Quite is also adverb. In this way, in one sentence, we can have two adverbs also. So in this way, adverb does three functions. How many functions? Basically, three functions. First of all, its prime duty is, its important duty is, most important duty is, it must qualify a verb, adding something to verb, adding something to verb. But sometimes it adds something to the meaning of adjective also, and sometimes it adds something to the meaning of adverb also. One adverb describes another adverb also. So very, quite, slowly, fast, all these are adverbs. Almost, always, these are adverbs. Now in a given sentence, for example, in your exams, board exams or competitive exams, suppose if a sentence is given, how to identify the noun? Means there are some rules, easy methods. There are some easy methods. The first rule is, usually in a sentence, this is, imagine that this is a sentence. Okay, this is a running sentence. So usually verb is always followed by adverb. Verb is always followed by adverb. So the word which is next to the verb, that is adverb. For example, come in. Actually, in is preposition. In is preposition. But here it is not a preposition. Why? Because the sentence ends here only. Sentence ends here only. So in come in is adverb, not a preposition. Go there, go there. So go is what? Verb. Here come is verb. So verb is followed by adverb. Go is go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Action. Okay, that is verb. So verb is followed by adverb. Okay. So here they ran fast. So ran is verb. So verb is followed by adverb. So this is a verb. This is verb. Verb is followed by adverb. Verb is followed by adverb. Okay. So mother cooks tastily. Cooks is verb. Action. Cooking. Action. Verb. So verb is followed by adverb. So automatically by default, tastily is adverb. In that way also we can identify. This is rule 1 and rule 2. Mostly, almost all ly words, the words which end with ly, they are adverbs. So there are some exemptions, okay, that we will discuss afterwards. All ly words are adverbs. For example, suddenly, slowly, gradually, frequently, daily, regularly, specially, commonly, specifically. So all ly words are adverbs. The words which end with ly, they are adverbs. For noun we have one formula. The words which end with ion, meant, ship, ness, dumb, hood, it. In noun we discuss, no? There is one formula, noun formula. For pronoun also we have some formulas. One words. Everyone, anyone, no one, someone. Body words. Anybody, nobody, somebody. Okay, everybody. Thing words. Anything, nothing, something, everything. All these are. For adjective, OUS words. Notorious, dangerous, pious, famous. BLE words. Able, durable. FUL, full words. Beautiful, handful, plentiful, like wonderful. So those are rules for adjectives. Now similarly here also we have some rules for adverbs. ly, the words which end with ly, they are adverbs. Now the third one is place denoting words and time denoting words. Okay, place denoting words. Place means for example, here, where, everywhere, here, there, everywhere, okay, nowhere, anywhere. All these are place denoting words. That is, these are adverbs. Similarly, time denoting words. Time. So now, then, ago, when. Okay, all these are now, then, when, ago. So all these are adverbs. So place denoting words, time denoting words. These are adverbs. So in this way we can easily identify. So these are the rules for adverbs. Okay friends. So first, verb is followed by adverb. Rule 1, verb is followed by adverb. Second one is ly words are adverbs. Next one, place denoting words and time denoting words. Place denoting words and time denoting words. For example, today we have an exam. Okay, today is time denoting word, that is adverb. Okay, yesterday we saw a movie. So yesterday here time denoting word, that is adverb. So today, tomorrow, yesterday, these are adverbs. Okay, when they denote time, these are adverbs. Okay, so with this, adverb comes to an end. In the next class friends, we discuss the next one is, sixth one is preposition. The sixth one is preposition. Okay, right. Hope that you have understood this video. Thank you very much.